You're about to walk into a room where lawyers will grill you for hours. One wrong word can severely damage your case. It sounds terrifying, right? It doesn't have to be. Today, we're teaching you the art of deposition. I'm Josephine Peña Persaud. I'm a personal injury attorney in New York. My day-to-day is focused on running my personal injury practice based in Queens. But I started posting on social media and created an injury law community after a decade of being in the legal industry because I believe getting injured is hard, but getting legal help doesn't have to be. One of the biggest mistakes clients make is runaway mouth. They get nervous, silence makes them uncomfortable, and they start rambling. They give narratives full of ambiguity. That is dangerous. It invites more questions and gives the defense wiggle room to destroy you. To survive, you only need to follow 3 simple rules. Rule 1, don't lie. Rule 2, don't guess. And rule 3, the most important one, don't talk a lot. If you stick to these, you'll be fine. So what is exactly a deposition? It's a question and answer session held during litigation. But here's the catch. A court reporter is typing every single word you say. That transcript becomes evidence. A jury might read it later. A judge might read it. You need clarity, not storytelling. Here is a hard rule. Bring nothing. No notes, no diary, no calendar. You're obligated to testify based on your memory only. If you don't recall, say, I don't recall. If you bring a phone or notes, the other lawyer can demand to see them. Do not give them that ammo. People always ask, what should I wear? That is a personality contest. It is not just about your answers. It's about your conduct and demeanor. You don't need a tuxedo, but you should look like your true character. Respectable. A nice shirt and pants. Show them that you are someone a jury will like. Here's a secret weapon of the best witnesses. The word yes. The 2 strongest words in the courtroom are a simple yes and no. They leave no room for traps. If you answer yes followed by a period, it is strong, it is clear, it ends the chase. Short answers provide the clarity that strengthens your case. Let's talk about the fear. Clients walk in looking like they're about to be interrogated by the FBI for a crime they didn't commit. They are shaking. They think it's a criminal investigation. But then we shift the mindset. We tell them, you are the victim. You did nothing wrong. Once they realize that, the vibe changes. Think of it like a tennis match. They serve, you return. Don't hold the ball, just hit back with clarity and cleanly, back and forth, fast, clean. By the end of it, every client breathes a sigh of relief and says, that wasn't that bad. This is why I ask clients to come into my office, even if the deposition is virtual. Most are remote these days, which is easier, but I want you close to me. I want you to know that I'm in the building to answer any questions and support you if it gets emotional. I have the good internet. You just bring the claim. How long will this take? Typically 1.5 to 2 hours. If it is a catastrophic injury case or a complicated fact pattern, it can go longer, up to 7 hours in New York. But usually we're done in the morning. Imagine that tennis match again. The best transcript reads like a rapid fire match. Short answer, short question, short answer. That is what we want. We want to get you out of that room as fast as possible. Do I have to travel? Likely not. Like I said, most depositions are virtual now. It reduces the travel time and stress. Remember, even on Zoom, you are being watched. Dress the part. If you are nervous, remember this. The defense lawyer and the insurance company need this to evaluate the case. If you do a good job, if you are clear, honest, and likable, you're actually helping them accurately evaluate the full extent of your damages. Relax. You've got this. If you have questions about depositions, drop a comment below. Stay safe out there.